Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create New Year wishes from mobile in single click. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just want to single click to create a greetings. What I have to do here? Simple and easy step. Each and every mobile has this application. So if you don't have, just install the application. So for the Android or Apple user, anyone can use. Just go to your Play Store or App Store and search for ChatGPT. I hope everyone has this application. So this is a beautiful application. So this is the ChatGPT application. I already installed over here. Just want to open this one. So this is the ChatGPT application. So you can give whatever you want. The prompt will be generate a new type of greetings, anything. So I just want to create a greetings for the new year. So I just want to share with my friends with my name. What I have to do here? So I just type my text, create a new year greetings 2025 with a beautiful flower and mention my name. So my name is Martin. How XT I can give. So I just add my whatever you want, you can add according to your need. Yeah, so I just click here to send the information to the AI. So once it's sent, automatically it will creating the image. So within a click, what I mentioned in the story. So this is a simple and easiest way to create your things. Yes, as you see here, share your new wishes. I just click in the center of my image, automatically it will open like image. Yes, Martin How XT, my name has come with a happy new year. So instead of this one, so I just copy the text over here, so or I just paste the text over here. So instead of vibrant blue flowerings and vibrant color, I can give according to that. It will create a different types of colors. So whatever prompt you can give, automatically it will enhance the beautiful notifications over here. So simple and easiest way. So I just want to create a new year greetings with a beautiful option. So I just paste this one. So I just, instead of flower, I just give a beautiful colors. So just search, automatically it will generate a creating the image. So within a click, the image will be created and you can share through WhatsApp or any other social media. So you can mention the message as well. For example, your greetings, wishes for your things. So see this, within a click I can create a beautiful new year wishes for my things. I just want to save this one into my folder. So images downloaded over here, so I can use this one. Otherwise I can share this one, so without any other hesitation. So simple and easiest way, within a click you can create a greetings and you can share with your friends. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.